Soap project in Uganda. A 1,000 kilograms per laundry soap and toilet soap production line, ordered by the Ugandan customer. All machines will be set up in our factory before shipment to ensure they are in good working order. This is a toilet soap stamping machine he ordered. All the machines were loaded into container and are about to be shipped to Uganda. With the on-site guidance of our engineer, the machines were quickly installed. The machines are producing toilet soap. The shape and size of soap can be customized. The machines are producing laundry soap. The finished laundry soap bars. This is the package machine ordered by the customer. It makes soap packaging simple and efficient. The customer highly praised our engineer's work, and he is very satisfied with our machines and the quality of the finished soap. The project in Uganda was completed perfectly. Our engineer is about to go to the next country.